Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a Facebook frame with Canva. So in here, I've already opened Canva and you can actually create the Facebook frame from scratch. But to make it easier, I suggest you to just use the Canva templates. So let's just click on the search column at the top and write the Facebook frame as the keyword. Okay, so you can see there are lots of Facebook frame that you can choose. For example, in here I'm going to use okay, this one's right here. So let's just click on a template and use this customize this template options, and the templates will be open. Here you can always make some changes on the frame. You can change the background, change the colors, and of course change the photo. For example, in here, I'm going to remove this elements and I'm going to add another element here. Okay, I'm going to find one in here. Okay, I'm going to use this one. For example, you can just put it in anywhere you like it. Here, I'm going to change the background with gradient one. Okay, this one, I'm going to make the photo bigger. And I'm going to add another element and adjust the size of this. And I'm going to put it in here. You can always add anything that you like, and always you can also add like the frames on the photos right here. Okay, you can put it, adjust the layer, and it will go like this. So if you like with the result, you can click on share button and then tap on download and hit on download again. So that's how you can create the Facebook frames with Canva. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the